be back in one of those on the stage. Uh, I feel very, very grateful to be a part of this wonderful project. This is truly a blessing because as an actor, this is what gives me a lot of meaning and sense and purpose to what I do. And when I can be a part of such projects and such brilliant team, it gives me a lot of joy. I would like to start with thanking Nandini, the one who brought this project to me. I was last year I was doing an Ayurveda Panchakarma in a nice retreat, enjoying my rejuvenation, and Nandini called me and she said that there is this very interesting project, and so she was giving me a brief of the story. It's about time loop, and my role is that I'll be playing a cop, and she also said that this cop is also an alcoholic. And I'm like, wow, Nandini, tell me more about it. So she's somebody who understands my psyche, I think, more than me. So thank you, Nandini, for this wonderful opportunity. And I think ever since I watched the movie Lucia, I've been a big fan of Pawan. I remember thinking when I saw Lucia, wow, it'd be nice to work with a director like someone who created this film. And then I saw U-Turn, so I've been following his work, and it was like a dream come true to work with Pawan. And I think I kind of tend to, sort of over-prepare always. And this movie, I think this is the movie where I was least prepared, and I could really explore a different side to my work. And I think that freedom was, I took that freedom because I was working with a director like Pawan. The first day itself, I was very, very confident, and I was involved. There was so much new perspectives to the scenes, the way he was, choreographing. But yeah, he never gives any compliments. That was the most, I was clueless because I'm so used to getting feedbacks, forget compliments, at least feedbacks. And the first day went, second day went, third day went, and fourth day I started fishing, and I'm like, you can't do this. And then I started observing. So Pawan is like this, if I've done you can watch Pawan's face when he's watching the monitor. If he has a complete expressionless face, then that means I've done a good job. So, so yeah, this is a tip to all the actors who are going to work with Pawan in the future. All you have to do is just watch Pawan's face, and if it's emotionless, expressionless, then good job. So, well, yeah, it was a brilliant team, Advaita, and thanks to all the ADs, Srikanth Garu, who really helped me a lot with my lines, Varma, who brought in a lot of love and joy, then Sindhu, and my diction coach, Saithi, my teacher. So it was a beautiful team that we had, and Rahul. Okay, what is that? You should have arranged some people for me also. Rahul. So Rahul and I share a very interesting connection, the characters Adi and Durga, these two total strangers who meet by, very coincidental events and accident, and how they continue their journey. I think it's I don't know if I have explored that parameter in any of my film, I don't know how to define it. It's a very beautiful relationship that the two characters share. It's beyond friendship, and that's what exactly how I feel for Rahul in real life too. I feel him like a brother, and we had very interesting conversations about life, love, spirituality, and a lot of traveling, and a lot of interesting conversations. So I think we're going to continue this journey in life too, hopefully. And thank you, Advaita. Shots are looking brilliant. And thanks to the entire technicians who worked, really, really hard to brought this output. And thank you, AHA. I mean, we shot this at the peak of the pandemic, and like, but not even one day I remember, panicking or being anxious about working during the pandemic. I think AHA like gives utmost comfort, security, and everything. I mean, one of the best shooting experiences I've had in my life. So I really want to thank AHA from the bottom of my heart for that. Then People Media Factory. That's all. Yeah. And yeah, thank you for coming in this costume and adding that speciality to the event. Yes, repeat.
Repeat.
Yeah, so thank you to Telugu fans and all the media here. We've really, really put in our heart and soul to this, and I have a very, very good positive feeling about this, and this is going to be released day after tomorrow, and I'm sure that this is going to be a very gripping, interesting watch for all of you, and thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amla. We don't want to leave you like this. We have a question for you here. So if there's any advice, one advice you would give your younger self today, what would it be?
Sorry, one advice.
One advice you would give your younger self today.
My younger self?
Yes.
Go back in time.
Yeah. Since this is a time loop event.
Oh, okay.
Not at all.
Well, I would tell myself to do whatever I was scared to do. Just do it. Yeah.
Fantastic. One place or person that you would most visit if you had a chance to time travel? One place or person that you would most visit if you had a chance to time travel? One place or person.
Okay. I think my father. I lost him in 2020, so yeah, that's all I can think about right now when you ask that question.
All right, sorry for that. And now we have a question for Pavan Garu as well.